How to delete Miniclip account permanently. Hello, and a warm welcome to the Error Genie YouTube channel. Today, we're here to guide you through the simple process of permanently deleting your Miniclip account. If you've decided you no longer want to use your account and want your personal information removed from Miniclip servers, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser. Grab your phone and open your web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you're comfortable with. Step 2. Search for Miniclip support. In the browser's search bar, type Miniclip support and hit enter. Look for the official support page in the search results. Step 3. Click on Submit a request. Once you're on the Miniclip support page, find the option that says Submit a request and give it a click. This will take you to the next step. Step 4. Choose the game. On the new page, you'll see different options to contact Miniclip's support team. Look for a place where you can choose the game you want to delete. Pick Other Miniclip Game from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Fill in your details. You'll be asked for some details like your user ID, email address, and more. Fill them in accurately. Step 6. Write your message. In the subject line, write Request to delete account. In the description box, keep it short and clear. Tell them you want to delete your Miniclip account. Step 7. Confirm your decision. Before you proceed, be sure that you really want to delete your account. Once you're certain, click the Submit button. Step 8. Wait for a response. Now, you'll need some patience. Wait for a response from Miniclip's support team. They'll guide you through the next steps. Step 9. Follow their instructions. When you get a response, follow the instructions they provide. They might need some more information or actions from you to complete the account deletion. Step 10. Confirmation email. After they've processed your request, you'll receive an email from Miniclip confirming that your account has been deleted. This means you're no longer a player in the game. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Miniclip account.